my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, guys? So in today's video, we're finna unveil the Tarp. Yep, long awaited, highly anticipated. I'm tired of waiting, so we're just gonna show what's behind it. Let's get into it. All right, so let's get back here and get into it. A whole bunch of crap in the way as always, but hopefully here in the future, like I said, we get all this stuff straightened up. It's a whole lot better than it used to be. Unveiling this Tarp is actually gonna put us a little bit closer. So yeah, that's kind of part of it, but it don't really tell the whole story. If somebody need a G-body, cutlass, fan shroud, I got one. Let me know. Vortex engine cover. I think that's mine. I mean, it is mine, but I'm trying to say I'm gonna keep it, but I might let it go. I don't know. But yeah, like I said, I'm excited about what's behind here, and kind of tired of waiting on a milestone, so we're just gonna keep it rolling, everything like that. So move a little swanger out the way. All right, so moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. So this is what's behind the Tarp. So behind the Tarp, we have a Camaro dashboard, complete with glove box. I pulled this like a year, maybe 2 years ago. Also got the seats. Camaro seats. Got the Camaro center console. Hold on, y'all. Trying to see where I can put y'all at so y'all can see, but I can actually still get this done. All right, so yeah, got the dashboard, Camaro dashboard. That's going to be going, if you know or didn't know, this is going to be going, well, I guess you didn't know because you didn't even know it existed till a couple minutes ago. Cup holder. So yeah, Camaro dashboard here. Also got the cup holder, the little button, cigarette lighter, cup holders, middle console thing there. We're gonna be putting this. Oh shit! Hold on. So I got that back there. And like I said, we got a Camaro dash back here in the corner as well. Whole time, y'all, I've been waiting to try to reveal this to y'all and show y'all this, but we didn't get to 10K. I said, screw it. We ain't waiting no more. I'm just going for it. So yeah, so these seats, Camaro seats. We going in the box Chevy two-door. I thought about doing it in the Cutlass, but I think there'll definitely be a better look for the box Chevy. Maybe it'll be something different. Then I have the door panels, which have kind of been hiding in plain sight up there. Door panels, got the back seats. Got door panels in the back seats up there on the top shelf. So I wonder how many people Blues Clues caught on to that. But yeah, that's the plan. Is to put the Camaro dash and seats into the box Chevy. The seats will definitely be a much needed upgrade. We've been riding a box Chevy here. While the original seats are very nice, don't get me wrong, and comfortable, but I mean, they are like a little worn out because they are from like 1980s. These seats here definitely be a nice upgrade once we get them bolted in there to the box Chevy. And then, like I said, we got the back seats up there. Already kind of been doing some test fitting and things like that, so we know it's gonna work. Like I said, we just hadn't revealed it to the public. But for the first time ever, I'm saying this is what the contents of the blue tarp is. So I'm excited about it. Once we get it all together, get it popping, and go from there. That weight, there's a little bit more. A little bit more for you. Do a little bit of magic. Scene Salabini. Oh. So while one tarp came off, there's another tarp, which is bigger, badder, definitely bigger. So, for sure, 10,000 subscribers, this comes off. This doesn't come off before 10,000 subscribers. So, tell your mom and them, sister and them, auntie them, there's something up under the tarp. There is a bigger, badder tarp, and it is, I don't know. Y'all can guess all y'all want to. I'm not saying nothing. It's just something under the tarp. Maybe it's a bunch of boxes. Maybe it's a Hellcat. Maybe it's a Z06. Maybe it's a Donk. Maybe it's a box Chevy. Maybe it's a G-body. Who knows? But yeah, checking out my dude, D Brooks up here on the tube. And this is the new tarp. 10,000 subscribers, it comes out. Trust me, it's gonna be worth it. It is definitely gonna be worth it. So, appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Leave me some stuff down in the comments below and let me know what y'all think about the plan going forward for the Camaro dash and seats and everything and the two-door box Chevy. And that's it for this one, man. As always, remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember to hustle don't stop. grind don't stop. Gone